Okay, guys, I didn't really do much in my episode. Um, in after the episode, I got some iron wool. I made a pink bed, or what is it? Magenta bed, I guess. Um, wait, I kind of lost my home. I mined a little bit, just a bit. I get into a cave and then just got a little bit pieces. I didn't actually go in the cave. I just rushed like this, got here and left because there's lava beneath the redstone. So um, we got some more sheep. Always save sheep. Sheep will help you out. Oof. No, no, no. I meant to do this. Wow, they're white. I never knew that. What's that? Nice. More sheep. Are we gonna get lucky today? So maybe we're gonna get lucky. And we are getting kind of lucky because we got luck. But we might just die. So wait, I need some. Oh my gosh, I fell. But what is the easiest thing to get, and that is almost everywhere, and you have shears with you there. And now you already have a lot of stuff to go find your house with. Ow! We have to do this, do this, do this. Okay, let's keep on breaking. No. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where I went! That's okay. We will eventually. Wow, so much sheep. Should we just die? Then we see our tower here and then go. But I remember I made my house that is actually just a crafting table in the furnace in the mine next to it. Somewhere next to the not the oak. I don't actually remember. We should die. I have a spawn point. Yeah, we should just die. I'm already at 3 levels. Well, who cares? Nice. Now we're spawned at our head. It was literally that 4? That's so far. How the heck can I see it? Well, as long as we have our items, we're okay. Wait. Let's always just get a lot of seeds. So then we can make a farm of it. And then we can get a lot of bread and we won't keep an X. We won't even have to okay, here we got everything. Our object. Boom boom boom. So cool. Okay, nice. Nice. 2 minutes in the video already, wow. Okay, it's okay, we'll just save more sheep. So like I remember it was I don't think I picked up the roll, but who cares? I remember it was somewhere up here. Yeah, I don't really want to fall again, so okay, almost fell. That's not a nice thing to do. Well, let's keep pushing to this direction. Now we have full food, so we don't even have to. But our, our XP, it's not good. Our level. Shoot, don't tell me I lost it again. What's okay, we're just fine like this now. I remember it was very far, it was very far. We have to find it. We don't have to rush to the team and go again. Okay. Okay, let's go on the top. Let's go next to the tower and just die. Somehow. I don't know how we're gonna die, but that's right. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's die. Okay, let's keep going up. No, I want it to die. Jeez. Let's climb with all our things. So then we make a tower there, just there. And we die. Wait, most of our stuff are materials? Okay. As long as our iron is with us. And our wool, yes? Okay, good. Nice. Wait, where is it now? What the heck is our tower? Okay, let's just look first of all. Okay, it's there, it's there. Okay, we're okay. Okay. We got this, so now we can make a tower. I mean, it's not really gonna be a good tower, but we're gonna try to make it seeable, you know? Not really gonna see it, but okay, so we have to keep it in mind. Okay, let's just open our coordinates. Okay, so we're facing the block 344, which is gonna change. None of them is actually changing. This is the height. Okay, the XY aren't changing. Okay, there is our house. What's that? Oh, okay. North. Okay, no, we're gonna go, and right now we're gonna be facing. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? We need our stuff back. It's okay. Let's take these off, and let's not go as much of like that. And nice. We just got a bunch of screenshots. Okay, so it's oof. Okay, just fell in my own hole. It's okay. So we have to remember that it's facing that it's we just go a little bit forward, and we literally reached our house. We have to keep that in mind for now. Okay, let's get our objects. If they vanished, okay, no, they didn't. That's pretty good to know. Oof, oof, oof. I really hate when I don't have one like levels now. Well, we did die, so I better because maybe it could have just gave us 0. Where is our? We have something else with iron. Well, it's okay. Remember, we go right up here. I remember. Don't worry. Wait, what? We are heading where it was. Okay, yes, we are in the right place. Nice. Very, very nice and cool. Let's just bring this. 8. Stuff like that. Why don't we make a chest? Like, we didn't even make a chest. Let's make a double chest. Just to be safe. Let's put in our garbage, like our garbage with an axe, our flowers. This, that. We're gonna do a banner now. I really want the banner. What a banner? A banner. Where's our banner? We need a banner. We have enough, but no. We need a banner. We also have enough. No, wait. Okay. What is a banner anyways? How do I get one? Banner. You can't even search. Stupid banner. Wait, no. Maybe we don't even have 6. Oh, maybe this is the fact why. Okay. I got a banner. I got a banner.
Minutes to read the question.
Okay, we can also make a shield, I think. Okay, so guys, wow, we got a fence. Oh, okay, sure, cool. But we don't actually need a fence. Okay, so what we're gonna do, wait, what? What we're gonna do now, oh my gosh. 2 and iron. We're gonna sleep. Where's our bed? How to, okay. There's no light out loud. What I call it? This one. Okay, nice. It's the morning. Hello, morning. Oh my gosh, it's even in the morning. Why is it saying it's morning? It's not even that bright. Nice. Okay, what I wanted to do today is we're gonna go mine. Not mine, I mean break wood. Today is wood day. So we're gonna keep doing till nighttime. And we're not even gonna get a lot of wood. Okay, let's keep breaking this up. We have a berry that we can make a pink shield of. Did something just hit me? Just burn. Burn! What do you want me? What? Why do you want to kill me? I really wanted to do this peaceful. Yay, did I? Now I also have a piece. We're gonna let him come up here. It's okay. He's just so stupid. No, I really want to make armor. Okay. This is weird. It's not every. Okay. We are pretty okay, I guess now. For now. Wait. Okay, we're gonna go mine or break. I think breaking is better for now, just for now. And then we can go break as much as you guys want. No. We're gonna go mining then. Later though, not now. Maybe next episode we'll just make an episode with the mining. And maybe we'll also get diamonds. So yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the episode here. We didn't get much wood. I only paused it for a few seconds, so yeah, yeah. Oh no, I just broke wood. I mean, oh, okay, nice. Wait, do we have what? What? Wait, don't have. Okay, guys. Yeah. I have no idea where. So yeah, bye, guys.